Hello everyone, welcome back to our English lesson series. Today we're learning about narrative text. This type of text is used to tell a story, either real or fictional, with the purpose of entertaining or sharing a moral lesson. Our topic today is Timun Mas. Let's get started. First, what is a narrative text? A narrative text is a type of text that tells a story, real or fictional. Its purpose is to entertain, to teach a moral lesson, or to share an experience. Structure of narrative text. A narrative text usually has 5 main parts. First, orientation. This introduces the character's setting and situation. Second, complication. This is the problem or conflict that makes the story interesting. Third, sequence of events. These are the actions or events that happen to solve the problem. Fourth, resolution. This is how the problem is solved. Finally, coda. Sometimes the story ends with a moral or reflection. Language features. Narrative texts often use past tense verbs such as was, went, said. Time connectors such as then, after that, suddenly. Action verbs such as ran, climbed, fought. Descriptive language for characters and settings. Now, let's listen to an example of a narrative text. I'll play a story from my previous video. While listening, try to identify the orientation, complication, and resolution. Timun Mas, Indonesian folktale. Once upon a time, in a quiet village in central Java, lived an old woman named Mbok Srini. She had no children, and every day she prayed to the god for a child to love and care for its encounter with the giant. One day, while gathering firewood in the forest, Mbok Srini met a terrifying giant named Buto Ijo. He offered her a magical cucumber seed, saying, "Plant this seed, you'll have a child. But when she grows up, you must give her back to me." Growing the golden cucumber. Mbok Srini returned home and planted the seed. From it grew a large golden cucumber. When she sliced it open, she found a beautiful baby girl inside. She named her Timun Mas, meaning golden cucumber. Timun Mas grows up. Years passed, and Timun Mas grew into a kind and brave young girl. But Mbok Srini never forgot the giant's promise. The giant returned. One day, Buto Ijo came to claim Timun Mas. "It's time. Give me the girl." Escape begins. Mbok Srini gave Timun Mas a small bundle of magical items: salt, chili, cucumber seed, and shrimp paste. "Run, my child. Use this to protect yourself." Timun Mas uses the magic. As the giant chased her, Timun Mas threw the items one by one. The salt turned into a vast sea. The chili became a field of fire. The cucumber seeds grew into thorny vines, and the shrimp paste turned into boiling mud. The giant defeated. The giant struggled through each obstacle, but finally he sank into the mud and disappeared. Reunion and celebration. Timun Mas returned safely to Mbok Srini. They hugged with joy, and the village celebrated her bravery. And so, Timun Mas lived happily ever after, a symbol of courage and cleverness for generations to come. Great! Did you notice the structure? Who were the characters? Where did the story take place? What was the problem? How was it solved? So, that's all about narrative text. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.